This print is of the great white shark. It took 7 hours and 40 minutes, completed sometime during the evening. I did it on a raft. I've had a lot of success just using rafts, so I'm just kind of sticking with that on certain prints, especially when they have some of the smaller pieces with them. Break some of that out of there. But the fins, well, that fin came off. A lot of times something like the fins won't break off the raft very easily, and you have to use an X-Acto to get them off. So there's the raft. Here's the body for the shark. Breathing things there. The head will go right like that. I don't think that broke out correctly. Grab my filament cutters. Everybody's got filament cutters. Try and get the rest of this out of here. It's got built-in supports. Pretty sure that needs to come out. Oh, that's on the floor. So now we've got this is where the head will snap in. Make sure I put the head on correctly. Typically you take these, put one side in, and then the other side will slip in. Not getting the angles. There we go. And we may need to cut this open a little bit. Can't get it out. Sometimes the little slot has a little bit of filament in it, and it won't compress down like you need to allow the head to snap in correctly. And of course I slipped it back up. Which was a good thing because I had the head upside down. And there we go. So there's the great white shark. Little smile. Fins move. The little fins They'll sure move if I break them loose. There you have the great white shark.